Sanskrit nice names and today's topic is really interesting and it is something crazy. So without wasting any more time, let's get started to our today's video. And our today's topic is the related to school, and we all of us like our school going days, and everyone likes our school going days because we do so many musty in the school going days, and we sometimes we misbehaves. And so let's get started to our today's topic. So we all of us knows that we like to go in school, and without wasting any more time, let's get started to today's video. And before starting video, our the topic is the worried rules in the schools. So today we are going to see in this video there's some worried rules which are present in the country, present in the whole world, and there are so many countries in our world. So let's see how many worried rules are in our world about the schools. So let's get started from the first. What is this? The cleaning. So in the Japan, the cleaning is the most important rule to the students. Students do the cleaning of this of their school. So this is the important rule, and this is the nice rule. So in South Korea, the second one is in the South Korea, so many people students have to remove their slippers at the door, and they have to wear the school sneakers. They have to wear the school slippers or sneakers, and then they have to enter in the school. And if they break their rule, they also got the punishment. And the third one is the shame. And this shame means we all of us knows that what is the shame. So in the South Korea, one teacher watched one movie, and after that she thought that if someone comes late, I will tell him to tell that student to wear the shame cap, or the shame cone type cap. It is the cone type cap, and we have to wear it at our neck. But after some time, the parents are told to the teacher, you don't have to do this with our students, because they will be disappointed, or they will be sad from this your action. Then after that, the school principal suspended that teacher. So this is the too much worried rule, and but it is also not good that the shame, and if someone is late, so wear the shame cap too. It's not good. So the fourth one is, we all of us like to the recess, means the lunch break. And it is now our fourth rule is related to our lunch break. So in the South Korea, a student doesn't have to bring their lunch boxes, and they get the lunches from their canteens. And in the canteen, no chefs are not available, and chefs doesn't make the food. The teacher and student make food by their own, and they serve the food by their own, and they eat by their own. If they want to eat food, or if they doesn't want to eat food, it is what it is situation, the teacher doesn't know. But there is one rule, they have to finish all the food which served in the plate. If they leave some food in their plate, so they got punishment from the school. So the fifth one is the touching. So touching is we all of us like to give high five to our friends and shake hand to our friend and just put a hand on the shoulder of our friend and roam around all the school. But in one country it is not, it is a rule to no touching. If we touch to any our friend, it is also misbehaving, and it also breaks their rule. So if it is only allowed it for the school, the no touching. You can shake hand, or you can also give high five to your friend after school ends. So this is the fifth one, and the sixth one is, we all of us like to going the schools. And in the Japan, it is a rule to the students, they have to come by their own to school. Means they doesn't came from the buses, they doesn't came with their parents, they have to came own and alone to the school with their friends, or if they doesn't have the friends, or they can alone. And the seventh and last one is the best friends. We all of us have so many best friends or friends, but in the one school or in the one country, it is a rule to doesn't make the best friends. If student make the best friend, and if he or she quarrel with them, if he or she quarrel with their best friends, they became sad, and it will be uh, they became they lose their concentrations in studies. So it is not possible to make the best friends in that country. But no, they will make the friends in that in their schools. They will be make their friends, because the school thought that the teamwork of students will be increased from the making the friends. But it is not allowed to make the best friends in that school. So I hope you like today's video, and it is enough for today. And I hope you like today's video, because today's topic is really interesting, crazy, and I hope you like my today's video. Thank you guys.